Welcome to Discover Agriculture, where we unravel the secrets of legal palm toddy farming. In this video, we'll take you through the fascinating world of palm toddy, from its origins to the step-by-step process of cultivating this age-old tradition within the bounds of the law. Palm toddy, also known as kalu in some regions, is a traditional alcoholic beverage derived from the sap of various palm trees. It has been enjoyed for centuries across tropical regions, prized for its unique flavor and cultural significance. Not all palm trees are created equal when it comes to toddy production. We'll dive into the different palm species suitable for toddy tapping, including the iconic coconut palm and the majestic Palmyra palm, highlighting their distinct characteristics and requirements. Tapping palm trees involves making incisions in the trunk to collect sap. A skilled tapper knows to make precise cuts to avoid harming the tree. The collected sap is then processed into various products like palm sugar or palm wine. This sustainable practice requires careful attention to ensure the health of the palm and the quality of the yield. Once the palms are tapped, it's time to harvest the precious sap and begin the processing journey. We'll walk you through the traditional methods of collecting toddy, as well as modern techniques for filtering, fermenting, and bottling this beloved beverage while maintaining hygiene and quality standards. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to legal palm toddy farming. From understanding the art of tapping to navigating regulatory hurdles, we've covered it all. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply curious about this ancient craft, we hope this journey has ignited your passion for palm toddy and inspired you to explore its rich heritage further. Stay tuned to Discover Agriculture for more insightful explorations into the wonders of agriculture and beyond.